99,000 pesos, meron ka ng Montero Sport GLS free 1 month. At ano nga ba ang review ng Montero GLS? Tara, ituloy nyo ang video na to. By the way, I'm Hazel, Sales Consultant of Mitsubishi Peak Motors Jose Abad Santos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my TikTok account for more update, price, and promo.
Woke up with the sun.
Montero has a dynamic shield design, fascia look. And Montero has a new look design front grille with illumination light to enhance vehicle visibility tuwing gabi. Ang kanyang headlamp ay LED light na rin. For the wheels naman, it has 18-inch alloy wheels design. For the engine naman, it has 2.4-liter 4-inline turbo intercooler 4-cylinder 16-valve. Fuel tank capacity is 68-liter diesel. All Montero are diesel. Naka-leather seat na guys ang loob nito. Bukod doon, naka 8-way power adjustable na rin siya. Hindi na siya manual adjustment. Meron na rin itong 2 cup holder. And then, center console. Pwede nyo po siya i-open dyan. Pwede kayo maglagay dyan ng bottles. Push button start na rin siya. For the steering, naka-power steering na rin siya. For the left side is audio control. And for the right side is for the cruise control. Siyempre, mayroon na rin po siyang camera 360, 8-inch touchscreen, dual zone automatic climate control aircon, electronic parking brake, and auto hold. Sa steering pala niya guys, naka 3-spoke na rin siya, leather wrap. Ayan, spacious na rin siya guys, tignan. Then yung legroom niya is malaki. Punta naman tayo sa second row guys. Yan, very spacious, malawak ang legroom. Meron na rin itong 2 charging port USB. At sa kabilang side naman ay saksakan ng charger, 150 watts. For the third row naman guys, folded and tumble na rin ito. Pag pumasok po kayo sa third row, ayan, kasya po dyan ang 3 batang maliliit or medyo mapayat. Mayroon na rin po siyang 2 cup holder and then USB port. Ayan, spacious din po siya lalo sa mga bata. Trunk capacity is 502-liter tank. SRP price is 1,899,000. Apply now!